Renting versus buying. Saan ka mas yayaman? Kung nag-rent ka for 5 years, alam mo ba kung magkano ang nawawala sa'yo? Let's break it down. If you're renting at 20k per month, in 1 year, that's 240,000. In 5 years, that's 1.2 million. Ang tanong, ano ang napunta sa'yo? Wala. Expense lang siya. Now, compare mo. If you use that for condo investment, same 20k per month, pwede ka nang makakuha ng condo investment in the areas like New Valley or Vermosa. Instead na napupunta siya sa rent, napupunta siya sa ownership mo. And ang kagandahan, habang nagbabayad ka, tumataas yung value ng property mo over time. So, after 5 years, hindi lang bahay ang meron ka. May asset ka na, pwede pang kumita. I'm not saying na renting is bad ha. Sometimes, it makes sense. Pero, if you're planning long-term, you have to ask yourself, am I building my landlord's wealth or mine? If you want to see an options na kaya ng 15k to 20k per month mo, message mo lang ako. I'll guide you step by step.